Over the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee investigation on the flood control mess stuck in idle, former committee chair Senator Panfilo Lacson allegedly has had an epiphany after constant prodding from colleagues and persistent public clamor. Sosa's closest political ally and Senate President Vicente Soto III, who hinted earlier today on Senator Lacson reclaiming his old post. As I unpack this Daniel Manalastas story.
Na may mga senador pa.
Senate President Tito Soto seems sure now that Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson will be back as the chairperson of the powerful Senate Blue Ribbon Committee. It can be recalled that Lacson resigned from the post. Lacson has yet to comment though on Soto's revelation, but earlier he confirmed talking to Soto, saying that if he is elected again as the head of the committee, they should be ready for any consequences of his actions and decisions, including possible losing some members of the majority bloc and consequently Soto's Senate presidency. He added that in retrospect, a practical question crossed his mind when he decided to resign as Blue Ribbon Chair last October 6. That what chairmanship would they be talking about if they actually lost the majority to the current minority bloc led by Senator Alan Peter Cayetano? Cayetano seems did not like Lacson's remarks, saying that there's really no need for Lacson to drag the minority into the issues of the majority bloc. Will some senators weigh in on Lacson's possible comeback as the Blue Ribbon Chair?
After the majority caucus, nagkaayos naman kami. Sa ngayon, wala pa naman, wala akong alam na nag-iisip. The people are longing for answers. The public is longing for answers after this floodgate scandal. So, wala tayong magagawa kung ganun, no? No stones should be left unturned, ika nga.
Para sa akin, maganda yun dahil unang-una, integrity. Alam naman natin yung kanyang integridad. At pangalawa, may experience siya pagdating sa investigation. In fact, lahat naman to lumawas sa kanyang privilege speech. No, siya nagbigay ng detalye, siya nagbigay ng pangalan.
Meanwhile, Senator Gatchalian warned of the possibility of more budget cuts to the DPWH budget.
Ang pwedeng potential tanggalin is 348 billion.
348?
300 kasi yung red flags is already 271. Tapos yung overpricing na 20% across the board sa kalye, it's another 70 something. Hindi pa naman final yan, but yan yung mga estimates namin sa ngayon.
And on the possibility of diverting the flood control project funds, according to Senator J.V. Ejercito,
wag naman ho sana lahat sa ayuda kasi wala hong returns to. And sa akin, kung sakali, sana a portion of it will be used still for infrastructure. Kung hindi man sa DPWH, pwedeng sa DOTR, halimbawa, para makahabol din yung ating infrastructure under DOTR naman. So at least meron itong balik sa ekonomiya. Pwedeng sa mga hospitals natin, improvement ng hospitals, at least may kita at mararamdaman ng tao.
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.